Hello again from the American Diabetes Association Conference, coming to you from New Orleans, Louisiana, June 5 through 8. We're here this weekend to talk about two very, very pressing problems in the treatment of obesity with the current spate of drugs, either in the market or in development. First very large problem that we're here to address is the prevalence and the amount of adverse events, sometimes called side effects, that patients experience when they're taking these GLP-1 drugs. Which leads in large part to the second problem we're here to address, is what comes next after GLP-1 drugs, because within the first year, more than 50% of patients discontinue their use. Within 2 years, more than 80% of patients discontinue their use. Now you think about what industry would be able to lose 80% of their customer base and not address it. And that's why we developed NA931 as a maintenance treatment post-GLP-1 therapy. We know well that when patients stop taking these GLP-1 drugs, they instantly put on all the weight they lost. So it's a pressing need for the patient population, which our drug NA931 is positioned to address. We're just launching now phase 3 clinical trials, which means we should be able to be in the market very, very rapidly with this drug. And it will solve that problem of patients that A, are feeling these gastrointestinal issues, things like diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, constipation. As importantly, muscle loss, which is especially a problem for older people. And it gives them now an alternative, or at least a continuation of treatment once they get off of these GLP-1 drugs. And this is a treatment they could be on for a very, very long time to address a chronic disease like obesity. So we're here. We are putting our message together and getting it out there in the world. We're meeting with a number of very prominent pharmaceutical organizations, which you see in the background here. They're all here. And we have a solution that they are in desperate need of addressing. So thank you again, and we'll be back with more. Cut. You gotta say cut. And get some good B-roll.